And we have some breaking news coming in from the state of Karnataka this time, where the Karnataka BJP MLAs are all set to meet the High Command demanding expulsion of all those who are making comments against the Chief Minister. And amid a continued attacks that we are being seen by some of the BJP MLAs in the state, in Karnataka specifically, now they have stated that they will certainly go and meet the High Command and they will be demanding an expulsion of all those who have been making such comments against the Chief Minister. In fact, we do know that the political secretary of the Chief Minister has now stated in very stern words that criticizing Yediyurappa is the same as criticizing the BJP. She's also stated while speaking to some reporters that, and in a way, he has also in a way stated that Yediyurappa is not involved in any corruption charges or anything that is being blamed by certain MLAs in the state. We'll try to shortly go across to Sagay Raj. All right, Sagay Raj, take us through this latest statement coming in of certain BJP MLAs who are now set to meet the High Command in the state of Karnataka. They're also demanding an expulsion of all those who are making such comments against the Chief Minister.
So if you have noticed, we have reported on our MLAs and ministers who are making allegations against Chief Minister and their family, despite a warning which was being given by Karnataka BJP in charge, Arun Singh, that there will be a stringent action taken against all these people who is making any kind of anti-comments against the party or the leader. But still, these leaders are not willing to budge on the decree which has been issued by High Command. They are making continuous statements against the Chief Minister. On Sunday and Monday, we have seen that C.P. Yogeshwar and...
In fact, stay with us. We are also joined by Malvika Avinash on the phone line from the BJP. Ma'am, we are getting in this latest statement of how certain Karnataka BJP MLAs are all set to meet the High Command. They are demanding an expulsion of anybody who might make certain comments against the Chief Minister himself. Because remember, we have been seeing a constant attack by certain BJP's leaders in the state as well against the Chief Minister.
There is no such scheduled meeting of anyone wanting to go and complain. Arun Singh ji, who happens to be the General Secretary Party, Central BJP, who also is in charge of BJP in Karnataka, visited Karnataka and Bengaluru just a few days ago and had a detailed discussion with all those concerned, the stakeholders, MLAs, and it is entirely it's in his domain. And there is no such speculation that is warranted as of now.
But Malvika ma'am, we do have certain statements coming in from the Chief Minister's political secretary, who has now stated that anybody who criticizes the Chief Minister is also criticizing the BJP. In fact, he has also stated and clarified that as to how Yediyurappa is not involved in any corruption. What about those leaders within the party itself who are coming out and criticizing the Chief Minister? All right, we'll try to go back to Malvika, but this is the latest coming in of the Karnataka BJP MLAs who are set to meet the High Command demanding expulsion of anyone who's making such comments against the Chief Minister. Meanwhile, we have seen a constant attacks by some of the BJP leaders within the state and the party as well, who have been criticizing and critical of the Chief Minister on several occasions.